Energy is an expensive commodity, and in today's technological world, the consumption of energy has skyrocketed. Did you know that more than 50% of our energy is consumed by air conditioners alone? And this holds true for both residential as well as commercial spaces. However, for larger establishments, this percentage is much higher and slowly eats into their profits. It becomes difficult to regulate temperatures in such large spaces for optimized cooling. Did you know that even overcooling by 1 degree Celsius can lead to an increase in energy consumption by up to 5%? Moreover, such unequal cooling can cause discomfort, which in turn brings down the productivity of the workforce. This is where we come in. Introducing Ecoplug Air. Ecoplug Air is a unique and smart thermostat equipped with powerful algorithms. It uses a unique technology called adaptive deadband logic that intelligently tunes and controls the air conditioner's running cycle based on the changing heat load conditions. This saves up to 30% of energy that is otherwise wasted. Ecoplug Air completely takes over the duty cycle of the compressor, which ensures optimized energy usage and uniform cooling throughout. This helps create a comfortable working environment, which in turn increases productivity. It even gives the user complete control on set points for all units apart from keeping track of large inventories. Using our intuitive smartphone app, you can set authorized users who control these set points using PIN codes and can even view real-time data of your usage. Critical data such as temperature, compressor cycles, and compressor state can be remotely monitored over the internet cloud through Ecoplug Connect, allowing you to make informed decisions regarding maintenance and upkeep. Ecoplug is a simple plug-in device which can even be fitted to any pre-existing ACs, making them more cost-effective with a better return on investment. It not only provides an energy-efficient solution, but also has a greener impact on the environment by conserving any unnecessary energy consumption, thus helping you reduce your carbon footprint. Ecoplug Air, the smart thermostat for smart businesses.